Bitch.
Alright, so we got the lead mechanic Adrian right here
I ain't no lead mechanic.
with some fucked up tire. What you about to do? Can you explain?
You're gonna wheel it to the truck so we can change it, so we can change the cam on that. Bitch. God damn. This be flare too. Fucking flat ass tire. Yo, make it though. Fuck. I'll fuck it up.
You're overworked the engine. It's already smoking.
I guess.
I knew that they just did the header.
He said they did the coils. They got a cylinder one misfire. Hey, it shouldn't smoke like that.
It's probably the what the fuck? The rings, piston rings.
Damn.
Or the valves are fucked.
We got those heads.
Oh no, that's me. It's 799.
Yeah. I was gonna say when you go home, I'll go with you. But I think I need the truck. Cause I don't want to put more shit on the landing. We moved up in the world. Look at that Bluetooth scanner.
Get fucked up, dog. Fuck you up. Get off my face.
Call me fucker again.
Fucker. Do something.
Hold the camera.
Yeah, hold the camera. Make sure it's in 4 fucking K. Oh.
Can you explain what we're doing?
Whole lot of bullshit, to be honest with you. We're taking the valve covers off.
Typical Chevy shit.
Damn, that bitch is still smoking.
You can see the smoke through the camera, bro.
Bro,
Yeah.
Look at your head.
baby having ass nigga.
Looking like Ice Spice with that hair.
Not anymore.
You're still looking like Ice
You gotta
Spice.
go bald.
You should dye your hair orange for Halloween.
Thoughts
About?
about life?
Well,
What's your quote of the day?
what of the day? When you come to Oscars, you get home late.
What's your quote of the day?
She could juju to that beat. She could juju on this meat.
What the fuck, bro? Grow up, Caesar.
The shootout? You disappeared. I was tired, brother. Shootout, it was pretty dope, actually. You had a lot of car shows, right? You didn't get there till after.
Wait, what first spot?
We went to
Yeah,
we went to Mexico.
When
We went to Mexico.
when we pulled up to the first spot in Mexico, I was pulling up when the cops pulled up.
And the second spot was lit. Did you make it to the second spot?
I didn't make it to the first
You
one.
didn't even make it to the first one.
How did we... Next day,
It was litty.
went to Oakland. It was lit,
Bro,
like crazy lit.
hella people.
Like
Or
40
Like you
cars.
couldn't even walk, like drive.
No way.
Yeah.
Cause of y'all, cause like it was already lit.
Like a lot of people heard.
What the
There were
fuck?
people pulling up in trailers.
My cousin,
And then-
I was on FaceTime with John on the group chat, and John was like, they're about to race. Like, my cousin was like locking his truck. He's like, they're about to race. Let's go. I'm like, all right, I'll drive though, cause you're fucked up. He's like, nah.
First day.
Saturday.
On Sunday, we
They didn't hit
didn't.
me up till 1 o'clock in the
No,
morning.
on Sunday we didn't like say we're gonna race to what, like 11:30 or 10:30, 11.
10:30,
It
11.
was 10:30, bitch. And then I had already said we were gonna race the next day.
Nobody said
But
anything in the
because you're
group chat,
goofy ass, because you goofy and never got off the truck.
though. The first night.
Yeah, because we're all in a group. We're like, we should do it tomorrow.
Yeah,
You kept
that's what I
driving up
heard.
and down.
That's what I heard, and then I was like, bro, I'm not gonna be here. Wait for tomorrow. You didn't hit me up till 12:50. 12:40.
We hadn't even started.
I was in bed already. And my truck was behind all the cars, you know?
Any other time, be like, oh, I'm on my way.
Yeah, we did start at 1.
Cause my truck
Oh, we didn't get
was
home till 6.
I know, I seen.
Oh, but you was up.
No, I seen in the fucking morning, dummy. Yo, weak ass.
So we got the lead mechanic right here,
I
Adrian.
don't know mechanic, bro. I don't even know what today is. Bro, that's another one.
What?
I'm gonna get the stick.
We got a tow truck guy right here. Osvaldo.
Tow truck operator, nigga, get it right. Pulling the motor out cause cylinder, we're gonna call it 1. Look inside of you, dumbass. Got a glory hole.
What's wrong with that?
Be mad. You know I got out that I didn't even know. You fix it?
Gotta change the plugs.
Why the fuck this shit gotta be a bitch for?
I had a mullet before Oscar.
When? What year?
2022.
Oh yeah, you had. I might have had one 2022. I cut mine off.
I had a mullet before Peso Pluma.
The fuck up.
He copied me.
Nobody copying your name.
Shut your goofy ass up, bro.
These are some tight ass gloves. Who the fuck got baby hands? You buy the gloves?
Yeah.
Fucking noob.
Struggling?
Yeah.
Okay, you're supposed to be a lead mechanic and you over here can't even take off a bolt. Look at
I'm
you.
like the
Look at you.
Other mechanic here.
I bet you I'll be able to take it off one first try.
So stupid as fuck.
Let me try.
You're gonna be like me, just like me right now.
Let me try.
Don't drop the wrench, cause if you do, you're gonna beat your ass.
Never mind. I don't want to try.
I thought you could though.
That's a big liability. What if I drop the wrench?
Do you even know what you're doing? All you gotta do is hold the camera and you don't even be holding it right. Shout out to Chris the other day, bought me tacos, no cap.
Which course?
Yo. Oh, fuck. I'm getting old, bro. I feel like I'm like 40 or something. And I'm sick too, bro. I'm just decaying. You know, we really just live to die. That's crazy.
Which girl we texting, bro?
Yours? Damn. I can see it.
You gotta work on this side? Real set though?
No, I gotta work on that side. No, I'm gonna work on the back actually. Take the mounting bolts out. What's the word? What's the word? Yeah, that's what I've been told.
That's what you've been told.
Hey, eat up.
Okay, and
My shit ain't red, nigga.
so it must have been one day because that's how you know.
Oh, the portrait.
Here.
Ponte las pilas, güey.
Wait, tú.
We're gonna put it on the
Verga.
Ranger.
Huh?
We're gonna put it on the Ranger.
What?
LS6.
Yeah.
What you doing?
You ain't got. Esto tú no lo tienes. Esto tú no lo
I
tienes.
don't need that.
LS nigga don't got no LS. LS niggas don't got no LS2s, nigga. Let the 4 nigga buy the LS2s, brother.
Go get the Ranger then.
Look.
How's that? Piston rings?
Yeah.
I like that. My
Huh?
brother.
Hold on, bro.
I got one just like that.
Huh?
I got
Where
one.
that though?
Hold on, bro.
Crib.
What
Bro.
are you here for? Hold on,
You
bro.
look at all the LS that you're working on.
Hey.
Hey, hold on, bro. You take
Hold
wait
on,
your
bro.
turn. You ain't got the ring, nigga. You can't talk.
How is this model specific?
Huh?
How's this model specific?
For a 5.3?
Yeah, 5348.
Hey, you the same nigga.
Hey, which one I get? Anyone?
Whichever one you want, Brody.
Can I take all of them?
Yeah.
For real? Which was the best? What do you recommend?
Chocolate chip. I'm a chocolate
This
type
one?
of guy. The one behind.
This one?
Yeah.
This is what you recommend?
It reminds me of all the morenitas I be eating.
Oh my god. Thank you. You borrow? Thank you. You going to movies today?
I was going to.
Right now. Bitch, it's 10:30.
I was going to. I don't know
You
about
go to
now.
drive-in,
time was
motherfucker.
that
Nasty
Like at
bitch, you go to drive-in.
8:39.
Put a money
You
back.
nasty bitch, you go to the drive-in, huh?
Oh, he said he was supposed to go at 8.
Like 8:39 around there.
Nigga, you done missed 2 movies. What the fuck you talking about?
I just. We canceled.
That's crazy.
You cancel?
Still gonna happen.
Bro, it's 10 fucking 30, bro.
Empty your pockets. Flip it. What the fuck is that?
Hey, John, grab that bitch with a quickness. What the? What is this?
I wouldn't touch that. He used
That's
that
the
shit.
same thing what I was saying.
You need it, bro.
You get that shit, John? Hey, what are you gonna? You wanna scoop this shit up? You got a shovel? Get a shovel first. So you got a shovel? A flat blade?
Es bien mandón.
Last time we had
Nigga, hey,
Es bueno para mandar, bro.
yo, I'm talking to him, not you, bro. Why you mad? I'm talking to him, bro.
Es bien mandón.
No wonder why at work you be getting into it with everybody. Nigga, you see that twin turbo bitch I sent you from Michigan?
He told me he's trying to get F-50.
Is he?
He told me.
He sent me a Celine silver one, right? All one. I sent him there's a Gen 2 with twins on it here in Michigan. Things like how for 15K, bro.
For real?
Yes, he said come get that bitch. I said it the truth, and he was like, no, bitch, this is a fucking Celine. I'm like, no, bitch, that bitch is fake as fuck. He was like, how can you tell? So I slide. It looked fake, right? I slide up on the post. On the very bottom, it says, not a real Celine, but a very good rep, because it has all the parts. Has everything except for the blower. Don't have a blower. The pistons are the same. The strokes different.
What? You serious? 4.8 and 503 are the same blocks. I mean, same piston. Except for the stroke.
Hey,
My bad. I know I'm on your way.
get away.
It's the wrong size. Don't it gotta be like inside of it? Don't it gotta like sit inside because the nip in
We've been waiting for you for like a year, bro.
Bro, you know you want to laugh, bro. Just laugh, bro. Let this nigga want to laugh, bro. Look, this is how you put it in, bro. I know what the fuck I'm doing, alright?
Hey, how do you put it in?
Just like that. You saw me. Oh, you do it again?
Yeah, can you do it again?
Turn around.
That bitch is on backwards, bro.
Hey, yo. Nah.
Hey, this your boy? He's about to turn around.
I barely know. I barely met this nigga.
He's talking shit to you like y'all know each other all your life.
Where that rifle, bro? Where that rifle at, bro?
You should see his face.
Literally